Welcome back to Car Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because I'm working on the old 98 Toyota Tacoma. And we're going to be changing out this old stick shift knob for something a little cooler. Got a little 8-ball, but you can choose your flavor on Amazon if you like. They only cost about 10 bucks. Super simple swap. Let me show you how I did it. All right, there is no magic here, guys. You literally just twist this off. It might be a little stiff at first, but eat some steak, work out, don't be a bitch, and you'll get it out. And this new one is a universal, and it actually fits without any adapters. When you buy it, it'll come with some adapters, but I didn't need it for the Yoda. It just goes right on. And there she is. That's all you have to do. Just as easy as that. Now you can get skulls, you can get katanas, the 8-ball. I was born in the 80s, raised in the 90s, so having an 8-ball is the epitome of coolness. So now everybody knows I'm a badass when they hop in my truck and see my 8-ball there. Some of you old guys will know what I'm talking about. We're going to hot rod this Yoda. That was an instant 5 horsepower right there. Easiest mod you can do. Instantly faster. You're welcome. All right, guys. You have a good day. I'm going to get out of here.